Alright, we're now recording from 8447 35th Ave Southwest. I'm at the in the crawl space underneath the home making this recording. We're sitting in the 6-inch diameter liner, so we are past where the two houses come together. This is a section of line we have already cameraed and already made a recording from that I'll send over as a package with the other house. So we're going to come back through the 6-inch liner. You're going to go into our 6-inch diameter PVC repair. This is the flattish, back-graded one that I was talking about in the previous video. You see we come from our 6-inch liner back into 4-inch liner. So instead of digging up that fence post out there where these came together, we corrected that section with a liner. So it goes from liner to liner right there. And you can see it a little better in the video there. We're going from one section of liner straight into the next section of liner. So boom, boom, liner, liner. Back into 4-inch diameter liner now. That is part of strictly 8447's line. So that section we were just looking at is where 8441 and 8447 come together. Now coming back into 8447's personal 4-inch diameter liner. This thing came out smooth as glass. So really good looking liner on this side. Good looking liner throughout, but very smooth liner through this section. Right back into the ABS plastic as prescribed again. And coming back up, we're going to come out of this clean out in the crawl space there. So at this point, this entire line has been either lined with cure-in-place pipe liner or replaced with PVC plastic in sections. Ending the video there.